Hello everyone, I'm Nona Prince mom and again I am here with more Malayalam movies. Today I watched a movie Kude means together and it was very nice movie, very emotional movie. Okay, this is a story of a brother and sister. A brother who went for livelihood to Dubai and he's sending money, but he never come every year. Only in last 7 to 8 years he came only one or twice, and suddenly he got the message and he coming back for his sister demise. And after that, so many things happened there. यार वेरी डिफिकल्ट बेटा, पता नहीं तू कैसे करता है. तो ये सारा कैंसिल कर, पहले कैंसिल कर ये सारा.
Then how you watched it?
Oh, this is a very funny story. Actually, I started movie and there was no option for caption, and I was just waiting. And Nona Prince was busy in his videos, and I was waiting so much time. But I think I was more than half. Then he entered and saw there is no caption. So I said, no, it is not there, but it's okay. Now I'm understand. I can understand. And he was just laughing. So he again started caption, and I started from the beginning, more easy after that. So in this way I completed this movie. The movie was very emotional and so beautiful. I can't wait for him ki he will come or again he will start the caption. So I just started, no problem. The film was really very nice story. All the cast, each and everything was so beautifully picturized. The film is basically the bonding between brother and sister, and this is my favorite relation, and how they were not with each other. पास होना जरूरी नहीं है, साथ होना जरूरी है. And actually they were very far from each other, but still they were together. The film is like this: how he lost his sister and he came back from after 5 or 6 years, and he was missing her very badly. But how he can saw her, or he was just, I think he want to be with her sister. फिर हर क्यों आ रहा है हर मेरे मुंह से? क्योंकि सिस्टर आ रहा है ना, तो हर ही आ रहा है साथ में. He lost his sister and he want to be with her. I think with the belonging of his sister, he realized she is there only. Whatever he want to be with his sister, now he was spending that time with her, and this was really so beautiful. Everyone want like this, as if I lost my mother, so one day I can also do this thing, so I can spend more time with my mother. So it was really very good aspect and a very good thing. After that, how they whole day they spend time, they talk to each other, how the relationship between the parents improved each and every time. She realized the thing what he should do if he was hesitate to do anything, as he missed his childhood friend, and his sister always help him. Last he found her, and it was really very good thing. So basically, with the help of his sister, he did everything whatever he want to do in his life, and everything he was doing, and all the relationship with the parents, because earlier he was thinking the parents just forced him to go at Dubai. But after that, slowly he realized how much his father loved him, and the father role was really very nice, very concerning. He was very loving father. Dialogues and everything was, I can't understand, but the expression, it was really wonderful. And the same thing in Kerala or everywhere in India, the patriotic society is there.
Patriotic क्या होता है?
नहीं, तो गलत होता है. पेट्रेट क्या बोलेंगे? तो पार्ट देना, कुछ गलत नहीं डालेगा, बिल्कुल भी बता दे रही हूँ. मैं कभी भी तेरा रिव्यू नहीं करूंगी, फिर बता रही हूँ. अगर तूने मेरी ऐसी इस पर गलत चीजें कुछ डाली तो.
यार बनती है.
In the patriarchal society, how the Parvati, she faced the problem. She was divorced, but still all the brother and all the male character were there, and how they treat her, it was really very sad thing. everywhere it is actually. Acting was superb. Everyone did a very good job. As Nazia, she is very bubbly girl. Even in Bangalore days I saw, and she looked very nice, and this type of role very suits her in full film. Because of her, liveliness was there. Even it was a very sad or serious movie, but when Jenny came na, it was really wonderful to watch it. And the Parvati, whenever she got a little role or big, she always impactful. So it is very good to see, watch her again and again. And father was very nice, very expressive, very good. Prithvi, yeah, I love this character also. And even Prithvi, a new addition of good actor in my favorite list. One more actor added, Prithvi Raj. He did very good job. It's serious one without so much things. Very serious, very subtle, very quiet character were there, but so impactful. I love that character. Very nice. And his everything. When he was walk na, even his walk was telling something. So it was really very nice. And the dog, really, he did also very good thing. Director's work is very good.
Same director as Bangalore Days.
Okay, Bangalore Days director. Good job. Different type of movie. Both films are very different, but still very good job. Sometime what happen if we are upset or we are in grief, so we don't understand the other point of view or other situation. Same thing were there. The Prithvi was thinking ki whatever in past the Prithvi thing, his parents were so much demanding that he has to go outside. But when he come back and he saw so many things, then he realized ki it was also his duty, because everything he was doing for his sister. How in film I can see the bonding. When he was seeing the album and he saw in each and every family photograph, he was there in the hand of his sister. So really it was so touching. He was there only. He thought he is alone and family is in India. But now he realized I was always there with them, and really it was very good. It portrayed very well. Each and everything is very nice, very good, very watchable movie. Everyone should watch it. And basically those are not watching regional movies, they should go to watch it. And now it is available on Netflix, Amazon and Hotstar. So we have a option now, so we can see all these movies and enjoy it and learn it, and so many things are there. And I'm very happy I'm getting this opportunity. And thank you, Nona Prince, again, and you all, and you are admiring me for my reviews. I hope one day I can speak properly and I can give my opinion perfectly.
मैं आज बता रहा हूँ,
अपने-
बदल के लिख रहे हो।
If you want to watch more of these videos early, exclusively, become a member of the channel. To know more, click on the join button and check out all the membership tiers and its perks. Check out the community tab for the latest updates.
And thank you so much, and watch it. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe the channel. I will be grateful for it. Thank you so much. Bye. See you again. अब नहीं होता मुझसे, आज नहीं होगा. बड़ी मुश्किल है. एक ही बोलनी पड़ती है, कितना सोचना पड़ता है.